Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. In today's class, we are going to learn about indoor plants name. Number 1. Money plant. Number 2. Jade. Number 3. Bamboo. Number 4. Snake plant. Number 5. ZZ plant. Number 6. Spider plant. Number 7. Pothose. Number 8. Fiddle leaf fig. Number 9. Rubber plant. Number 10. Aloe vera. Number 11. English ivy. Number 12. Chinese evergreen. Number 13. Dieffenbachia. Number 14. Boston fern. Number 15. Dracaena. Number 16. Calathea. Number 17. String of pearls. Number 18. Dumb cane. Number 19. Orchid. Number 20. Kalanchoe. Number 21. Cast iron plant. Number 22. Peperomia. Number 23. Golden pothose. Number 24. Lipstick plant. Number 25. Yucca. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.